In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check whether a YouTube channel is being monetized or not in 2025. So previously we were using this method. That's you hop on the channel like this and then you move to the source code of the channel. So you right click here and you tap on this here or Ctrl+U, and on here you move to search. So it's Ctrl+F for Windows and then Command+F for Mac OS. You can see I'm getting no result here, 0/0. So there is nothing like monetization on this HTML page here. So you can see here it means this is not working because YouTube have cleared that tag. So at first when you search monetization, you're going to see monetization enabled or like true or false, something like that. So it's not working anymore. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways to do this. It's very much simple and easy. I'm going to elaborate on all these points so you grasp the concept and you can do it on your own. So now let's get going. So the first method is you check for ads on the channel. But then for that one, it has some 1, 2, 3 things you need to know, which I'm going to talk about in the video later. And the second one is you check for the metrics, or you check the metrics of the channel. That's the subscribers and then the views, like this. You come on here and you check the popular views, popular videos here. Then you do some few calculations. I'm going to walk you through the procedure as well. The last one is you use a website or monetization checker, something like that. So you come here, this is one. So you just, copy a link of the channel here like this. And you come and paste it here. I have this featured here. Let me remove that. And now you search and then you're going to get this result. So now let me walk you guys through the procedure. So let me start with this. So let's say you want to use a website to check whether a channel is being monetized or not. So I hop on here and then I copy it like this, and then I search this on Google or any browser, and then I move to this website. I'm going to choose this. This website is busy. They are saying their system is busy, so I can't use it in the video. So let me use this. So now I copy the link of the channel and then I paste it here, and you can see the results here. They are saying my channel is being monetized. Channel is perceived as original. Ads are active on the channel, and it's true. My channel is being monetized. So this is the first method. So any channel of your choice, you just copy the link and then you paste it here. You're going to get the result. So now let's move to the second option, which is checking the metrics. So for a channel to be monetized, you need to reach 1K subscribers, that's 1,000 subscribers, and then 4,000 watch hours. So to calculate for the watch hours, you need to hop on their channel and then look at their views, the popular ones. So let me do some calculation here for you guys to get it. So let's say the person has a video like this, which is 49K, that's 49,000, and then you divide it by 60 because every 60 minutes will give you 1 hour. So we are getting 816 here. So let's say the retention rate of the people watching the video is like 1 minute. For a video to be popular on YouTube, the retention rate has to be like 1 minute 30 seconds from what they released earlier. I don't know for now, but then it's 1 minute 30 seconds. So let's say 1 minute. Let's do it 1 minute for accurate calculation. So they are getting 816 hours from this video alone. And now let's move to the next one. So 31. So you just do that rough calculations and then you grab, you kind of get an idea on the watch hours they have. So you can decide on whether their channel is being monetized or not. This is a bit complex. I know most of you people are not going to choose this. So now let's move to the last option. That's you check for the ads on there. So you can see I have a video I published. So you can see I have a video that I just published here latest. So you can see here, let's click on it. It has only 2 views. Good, and you are seeing an ad here. So you are seeing an ad because my channel is being monetized. So if your channel hasn't reached the monetization requirement, that's 1,000 hours and 4,000 hours and then 1,000 subscribers, and your video has a lot of views like 5K views, 10K, and the rest, they are going to show ads on your channel. According to YouTube's monetization policies, they are going to show ads on your channel, but you're not going to get paid. They are going to take the money. So for me, instance, since I'm monetized, even if the video has 0 views and then you click on it, you're going to see an ad, and if you perform any action, they're going to give me 55% and you're going to take 45%. So that's it. So if you hop on a channel and you want to use the ads to check that, just hop on their channel and look for a video that they just published that has low views, and then you click on it. So if you see the ad, it means the channel is being monetized. So if the channel is not monetized and then they have a video with low views, you're not going to see any ads unless the video has higher number of views before YouTube is going to show the ads on there. So that's it on how you can check whether a channel is being monetized or not. In this video, I've showed you 3 different ways to do this, and I also talked about the previous way we were doing it. I think that one was more fixed. So if you see something like this, if you search monetization and you get monetization true or enabled, it means the channel is being monetized. But then with these 3 methods I show you, all of them have some downside. So that's why I've been talking a lot about these. You see, I've been elaborating on them a lot. But then that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel.